Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Satish Software. I'm back with another video after a long time. I'm sorry for the late actually. Part 2 of Sona 4 siege police station process is getting a little late and will be released very soon. Today I'm going to show you an amazing super cool product which you have ever seen. Have you ever thought about having a mobile with unique features like inbuilt laser projector? If yes, today you're going to see that. Then what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Today's product review is gonna be on the first pocket cinema laser projector mobile of 2019 and some unique features of it. I'm talking about BLACKVIEW MAX laser projector mobile, which can project up to 200 inches with 720 pixel clarity. When I thought about buying a new mobile, I was literally getting bored with the regular features of the mobiles. Then I found this super cool product called BLACKVIEW MAX. Being an artificial intelligence professional, I thought of buying a unique featured mobile. Then I found this super cool smartphone. Let's get into the technical specifications of this device now. This mobile looks like a regular mobile, but when we check it on the top, boom, it has a laser projector which can project up to 200 inches with 720 pixel clarity. Let me talk about the other specifications of this device in detail. This mobile has 6.1 inches of AMOLED display with 1080p pixel clarity. It has octa-core processor with 2.5 GHz of speed. When it comes to the memory, it has great memory of 6 GB with latest DDR4 RAM. And the internal storage is 64 GB, which can be expanded up to 128 GB. Coming to the cameras, the phone has 16MP dual front cameras and a single 16MP Sony IMX298 rear camera. There is also a rear mounted fingerprint scanner which is common in every phone nowadays. Coming to the OS, it has the latest version of Android 8.1 Oreo, and BLACKVIEW MAX packs with 4680 mAh 12 volts 2-way fast charging, which can project up to 5 hours continuously. Now we'll talk about the unique feature of this device, that's inbuilt laser projector. BLACKVIEW MAX is the first portable pocket cinema laser projector. It features 6.1 inches of AMOLED display which can provide you a vivid and different visual experience. BLACKVIEW is not only a high-end smartphone but also a multifunctional micro laser projection. You can take it with you at any time or home or go on a trip. Wherever there is a BLACKVIEW smartphone laser projector, there is a dedicated cinema projector for you. The projector is based on Micro-Electro-Mechanical System technology, which uses laser point scanning technology for sharp and clear images. The projector lamp is positioned on the top of the device, where you find IR blaster usually in almost all the phones. The projector has automatic focusing technology, where it just takes a second to adjust the positioning and clarity. It can project up to 70 inches with a distance of 2 meters and 200 inches with a distance of 3 meters. And the brightness depends upon the distance of the projection. I recommend use it in a dim quality for the better projection quality. This is all about my today's product review on the first inbuilt laser projector mobile, that's BLACKVIEW MAX 1. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll meet you soon in the next video. This is Satish signing off for the day. Bye bye. Take care.